The only thing you need is the presence of Devi in your life. You need the shower and blessings from her. So here I am, the messenger from Devi, broadcasting this message to you, asking you to tune into this frequency. As I'm preparing the script for this video, I have just been in a 30-minute streaming session of this broadcast. Devi herself visited and showed her blessings in the most beautiful way. Quantum time. Why time is not linear? Are you somebody who thinks of time as linear? Do you believe in a 9 to 5, Monday to Friday job or having a disciplined life? Are you somebody who's told himself a story that he's, Mr. Perfect and he knows everything and he's doing it all right by following the schedule? Well, I've got news for you. If you think time is linear, then you are wrong. Nothing moves in a straight line. We have planets around us which rotate on daily, monthly, weekly, yearly cycles. They have been programmed by the master of the universe to bring a cosmic play with many layers and depth. One that our linear computing mind cannot understand. Yes, your mind is running as a linear computer, whereas it has got quantum compute capability. Do you know that there are people who are trying to invent quantum computers so that they can compete with you, beat you at your own game because you're too slow to know that you've got this capability? Do you know that we have cycles, starting with the sun daily, moon 15-day cycle, Mercury and Earth conjunct every 116 days, Venus about 1.5 years, Mars every 2 years, Jupiter and Sun every 20 years, Saturn and Neptune conjunct every 36 years, Neptune and Uranus every 172 years. Then why are we so focused on the next shiny object which is close to us? Why have we squeezed our time so much that we cannot think beyond a few hours? Do you know that when we think of time as a non-linear expanded form, we create space around us? You need that space. You have stuffed your life with too many things. You are thinking too much. You're eating a lot of crap. You have filled up your house, your mind, your body with too much. You need space. Your mind needs space. Your body needs space. Your house needs space. Your soul needs space. We have built a life of excess and we are chasing and trying to fill it up with so many things that we have forgotten what a pause feels like. What happens when you do nothing? You have forgotten this aspect. Story time. So one of my entrepreneur buddies, he called me up once and he said that he's hired an assistant to fill up his calendar so that he doesn't waste his time. Now the young me thought that this was like a really genius idea and the guy is like onto something. Then the next thing he told me that he's going to read 100 books in a year and he'll be sending me text messages with the summary of those books. And I was like totally in awe of this guy, like, wow, like he's cracked the code. I mean, he's the guy, I need to admire and follow. Only to realize a few years later that this is a shallow life. This is a life that he's trying to fill up so that it doesn't feel empty. This is not the way to lead life. This is not what our masters of the universe wanted us to do. Pause for a minute and think about it. Are you doing the same in your life? Life is a journey. It's meant to be enjoyed in each of its phases. Do you know that you were born with an astro chart and that's the blueprint of your current life? Yeah, I know, this is not some bejan darwala shit like, where you get a weekly forecast and then somebody's telling you, oh, this week will be good for you, or maybe next week there's a high chance for you to get into an accident or something like that. No, that's not astrology. Astrology is your blueprint. Just like how planets move around us, at the time when your soul decided to enter Earth, there was a specific planetary positions and that created your blueprint. Have you ever given time to learn about that blueprint? I'm not trying to tell you to learn astrology. All I'm trying to tell you is think about it. Why you were born on a certain date. Why certain things happen to you and not to the guy next to you. In the school, when we were young, like we had kids just who looked exactly like us, but there was something different about them. Each one of us carries this unique masterpiece. You are one unique masterpiece. You have a unique blueprint to your life, and there is a journey you need to follow. Have you tuned your body to that journey? So yes, life is supposed to be led in different phases, at different paces. Are you somebody who's driving at the speed of 100 when you're actually supposed to pause? Is it the time for you to reflect on things, but you're too busy taking actions when you don't know what you're supposed to do? Do you know that God has created a speed limit for each phase of your life? And yes, you will get a speeding ticket if you don't follow the rules. When you're on the highway, you drive at 120. When you're supposed to drive in the city, you don't go at 120, you go below 60. And yes, you will get the speeding ticket. You might not realize it. Maybe you already have got the speeding ticket and you don't realize it. But if you tune into yourself, then you would know that something is not working. Do you know there's a radio station that is broadcasting that the weather is not good and maybe you should not be driving at all at this time? Yes, God has a radio station. There's a broadcast that happens 3 times a day. Are you tuned into it? Do you know how to tune into this radio station? Yes, you haven't received the email or the pamphlet, about the show timings of the show. And it's not there on Netflix, it's not there on the YouTube channel of your favorite influencer. The timings are pre-decided. All you need to do is first tune into yourself and then allow your body to tune into these frequencies. As I'm preparing the script for this video, I have just been in a 30-minute streaming session of this broadcast. Devi herself visited and showed her blessings in the most beautiful way that I could have thought about. So here I am, the messenger from Devi, broadcasting this message to you. Now, since you're not live streaming into it, you might not get the full essence of it. But yes, this same message will be broadcasted many times. The only thing you need is the presence of Devi in your life. You need the shower and blessings from her. And to get those blessings and to be showered by those blessings, you need to tune in at those 3 times. You need to start waking up early. The 5 a.m. broadcast is the biggest show for the day. And there's like these recaps at 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. So you can listen in onto those as well, in case you can't just make that adjustment right away. But trust me, the day you learn how to tune into this frequency, your life will change. You will start feeling things, you will start feeling emotions, you will start feeling what people are thinking around you, you'll start caring about them, and everything else will change from there. So it's possible that you have felt nothing of this video and then this video was not meant for you. So you should shut down and not listen to this video and don't subscribe to me. But yes, if you're somebody who felt something inside you, if I managed to trigger a little bit ounce of feelings inside you, or there was some sparkle that got triggered inside you, then yes, you are in the right place. Comment down in the section below and engage with me, and I'll connect you with a group or a community that I'm building called as Trikalya Mandala. Here, we will be tuning into this frequency 3 times in a day. And there'll be people around you who want to listen into this frequency. If you are aligned, if your soul is aligned with the same purpose as these are the people, then you are in the right place. and you should comment down below and tune into this channel. Thank you.